Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Sogoodhair sent me this hair, guys. I'm so excited because the inside of the package was so much. They gave me so much different stuff. So first we're going to start off by putting the wig cap on. As you guys know, wig cap is a must so that you don't tear out your hair. They also gave me bobby pin because they gave me extra straps for the wig, guys. So this is their WIG 99J Burgundy, and it is so gorgeous to begin with. I'm actually going to show you guys how I secure my wig cap on my hair, guys. Everything that I use will also be linked down below up in the description box so that you guys can go ahead and purchase it as well. Now you guys will notice how I cut the wig cap first with the scissors, and then I'm going to be using this eyebrow shaver, you can call it, to do the rest of the work, just because it's better to use this. It gets closer to the hairline, and the scissors give you a straight kind of cut. You don't want that when it comes to making your hairline. Also, guys, take your time while you're doing this, because remember, this is your real hair you're playing with, okay? This is your real hair, so please take your time. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and use my makeup, my color Skin, of course. Now, I was so happy that's so good. They actually sent me a bonnet. Who do you know sends a bonnet? Huh? Exactly. So guys, I'm going to part this hair because I do want to see where I'm going to be putting everything at. So I'm going to part it straight down the middle, and then I'm going to comb it through. Now guys, all you see me adding to the hair to lay it down is gel. I put gel because this hair is curly hair anyway, and the gel is just going to help me curl it a little bit more. So I'm gelling the hair down just so that I can get a clearer visual of everything that's going on. It's important that you start the base of the hair, guys. So I'm going to be using Got2b spray to actually tack it down. Again, guys, this is not a frontal, it's a closure, but I'm going to make it look like a frontal, okay? So blow dry the hair, guys. Make sure that you have the blow dryer on high heat. It's going to burn your forehead. It's okay. Move it out the way. So we're going to do the same thing we did to the wig cap, and we're going to cut it straight down the middle. And then we're going to take our eyebrow shaver thing, and we're just going to cut it off, guys. Again, be very careful. You don't want to cut too much. Now, this is what you're going to use to cut the whole part off, so I'm just going to do that to the other side as well. So guys, once that's done, I'm just going to go over with some lukewarm water. It could be cold, hot, whatever you like it. I just want lukewarm water because it is cold outside, okay? So I'm going to be using this water just to wet the hair, get the curly look, because I do want to show you guys how beautiful these curls are, okay? So I'm just going to be using my wig brush, and I'm going to be combing through the hair just to distribute the water so that it gets everywhere. Now guys, we're going to do our edges. I'm just going to take a little bit of hair out the front of my hair, and then I'm going to do that as well on the other side. So once I take this hair out from this side, guys, we're just going to use it to shave it down, and we're going to shave it down with our, you know, the same thing that we use to shave it down with. We're going to shave it down with our eyebrow shaver, and I'm just doing the same thing to the other side, guys. If you see me applying anything like that, it's just putting gel just so that I can place the other hair that I'm not using out of the way. So we're going to take our Got2b, guys. This is not a gel. This is not the glue. I'm sorry. This is the gel. And we're going to take this and we're going to do our edges. I don't use the glue on my edges just because it turns white. Now this thing right here, it will not turn white, and it will last you, okay? So we're just going to swap our edges and watch me do that. once again, guys, I will link everything that I'm using down below in the description box so you guys can go ahead and purchase it if you need it. You know what I'm saying? And Sogoodhair is actually some pretty good hair, guys. You see how it looks? It came magnificent. So to touch it up, I am going to be using some makeup, and this foundation is in my color. So as you guys can see, the actual makeup brush that I'm using is like for your eyebrows. Make sure that it's like tapered, like it's straight and pointy, okay? So I'm just going to be placing that through the line of the wig, and then I'm also going to put it on the front of my wig. I'm sorry, guys. I'm feeling this hair. You guys can see me flipping and turning and twitting. It's because this hair is so beautiful, guys. As you guys notice, I'm just putting it anywhere I feel like it's necessary to put the makeup. So guys, I'm using the end of the edge brush, and guys, if you purchase the one that I have linked down below, it'll have an end, like a kind of comb at the end of it. So I'm going to put mousse. This is mousse that I'm putting on my hair, and I'm going to put the mousse and I'm going to comb it out just so that I can get any other flyaways out of the way, and it'll help make the hair look so much more gorgeous, guys. You guys, you see the difference? This side and that side is up, and then this side is down. So guys, I'm going to be taking the Got2b spray, and the reason why I'm using the Got2b spray, guys, is because it holds everything in place. Even if it dries, it's still going to stay there. I'm spraying in the front because I like my front to be like standing up a little bit, just so it looks like it's growing out of my scalp. And again, guys, blow dryer on high heat. It's important that you use a high heat blow dryer, okay? Trust me, guys, you won't regret doing this step. Take 2 steps. So guys, again, I'm just going to go ahead and blow dry everything, blow dry the whole hair, and then as you guys know, I will be adding some more water to the hair just so that everything can, you know, go back to curly look, and then I'll scrunch everything back up. So guys, that is it for this video. I love you guys so much. Be sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions or anything and concerns, and I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.